How to disable WhatsApp calls. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, after which launch the WhatsApp application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen over here, and as you do that, tap on settings. When you tap on settings, scroll down and tap on the privacy section over here. As you tap on privacy, scroll down again and here you can see the option of calls. So tap on calls and toggle on this option of silence unknown callers option over here. So when you toggle on this option, you will be able to silence the calls from unknown numbers, and this will still be shown in the calls tab or in the notifications. So make sure to toggle on this option, and that is how you'll be able to disable the WhatsApp calls. If not, then you can also go back and then just relaunch or install the application yet again, and you'll be able to disable the WhatsApp calls. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.